Hi, I'm Omega Dude, coming at you in this edition of Ask Starbase. Our solar system, located in the outer spiral arm and not the constellation, Orion, of the Milky Way galaxy, is full of odd, interesting, and unique wonders and facts that boggle the mind. For instance, do you know why our group of planets and sun got the name solar system? This is because the name of our sun is Sol. Sol is short for solus, which is Latin for sun, and everything within our planetary system orbits around our sun, Sol. In this Ask Starbase, we're going to take a look at some of the other wonders of our solar system. The first wonder I'd like to talk to you about today is one that has been fascinating people for hundreds of years, and that is Jupiter's Great Red Spot. And what a spot it is! At one point, it used to be 3 times the size of Earth. The Great Red Spot is a gigantic storm that has been raging on Jupiter for over 400 years. Wind speeds on Jupiter range from 270 to 425 miles per hour. The strongest wind speed ever recorded on Earth from a hurricane, on the other hand, is only 190 miles per hour. Scientists have a mystery on their hands, however, because the Great Red Spot seems to be shrinking. Today, it is 10,159 miles wide and only slightly wider than the size of Earth. Scientists haven't figured out the reason, but some say it may be gone in 20 to 30 years. So if you know someone with a telescope, check it out fast, because this may be one wonder that will disappear in our lifetimes. What would a discussion of the wonders of the solar system be without Saturn's rings? First discovered in 1610, these rings continue to marvel and delight us to this day. Saturn's rings consist of 8 main rings and many other thinner ones. These rings are made up of billions upon billions of pieces of ice, dust, and rocks. They range in size from specks of dust to as big as a bus. The rings are located in orbit around Saturn's equator and are about 20 meters thick. Scientists have several theories as to how these rings may have formed, including moons that were torn apart by Saturn's gravity, comets and asteroids that were pulled into the planet and crushed to become pieces of the rings, or dust and particles from Saturn itself thrown into space from different impacts to the planet. While Saturn isn't the only body in our solar system that has rings, they are by far the brightest and most noticeable. If you ever have the opportunity to see them with your own eyes through a good telescope, I highly recommend it. The next wonder is an exceptionally large one indeed. At a height of 88,600 feet and 374 miles long, Mars's Olympus Mons is the tallest planetary mountain and the largest volcano in the solar system. In fact, it is so high that it about triples the height of Mount Everest at 29,029 feet. How was this mountain/volcano able to reach up this high, you might ask? Scientists believe that it has to do with Mars having less surface gravity than Earth, higher eruption rates, and an absence of plate tectonics. This means that it has less gravity holding it back, no continental drift to reshape the land, and more lava present to add layer after layer. Olympus Mons is a young volcano, and its somewhat recent lava flows show that it may have a growth spurt left in it. If you enjoyed this edition of Ask Starbase, then don't worry, because in a future video, I will be exploring more wonders of the solar system in part 2. In the meantime, if you have any questions, don't forget to send them to ask@starbase-ct.com. This has been Omega Dude, signing off.